if you can understand, your existence should not be altered, only should be experienced, your execution will become perfection. Unfulfillment, incompletion, yet to be achieved feeling should not be cherished in your existence. Because in your existence, nothing more need to be added. But in your action, there should be so much of passion, as if only that action is going to give you complete fulfillment. It's like when you see drinking water in the desert after 3 days of thirst. You know, running, grabbing and drinking that water only is going to save your life. Doing action, execution with that passion. I tell you, execution with the passion postpones even your death. In the modern day, many of the surveys, studies, researches are proving people who don't retire live long. Their work itself is retirement. I tell you, do not get retired. Constantly go on doing something. The passion to execute makes you live. Live, live, and live. Even if you feel all doors are closed for you, don't keep quiet. Live, live, live. The moment you start feeling there is something wrong in your existence, whether you act or not, you will only be suffering, torturing yourself and others. The moment you feel your existence is more complete than any completion is possible, then whatever your execution, not only it radiates your fulfillment, it fulfills everybody around you. Execution with the right understanding of existence is romance. I tell you, execution with the right understanding of existence is romance with life. Every breath is a romance. Every step is a romance. It's romancing with the whole life. The day I realized nothing can be done in the inner space, I became enlightened. Understand, your inner space is like a huge globe. But what you perceive as your inner space is the 2-acre patta land which you are having. Your document, registration document. That frog showing the 1 rupee coin to the elephant. Just because this land is registered in your name, don't think death will not come inside the land and take you away.